The hole's too big. What are we gonna do?
Fill it in.
Fill it in? Light it on fire? No? Okay.
Not today.
That's not bad, actually.
Yeah, you just fill it in and yeah.
That'll do the job. Okay, your key's stuck down the drain. What are you gonna do? We have a flashlight. Okay.
Yeah.
You can look at it being stuck down the drain, or you can use a magnet. Wow.
Magnet.
That's pretty handy, but only at certain distances, right? Because drains are usually deeper than that.
Yeah. And if some flaw in there, you can,
it's just gone forever.
But it's one of my fear,
Yeah, mine too. Yeah. Whenever I'm like walking over a drain, I check, I clutch my phone as hard as possible.
Exactly, and I hold the phone like so.
Yeah,
no, you're not gonna drop.
If you ever see someone yelling at their phone and holding it really tightly, it's because of that.
Yeah.
Oh no, she can't lift it. What are we gonna do here? Wow, she pulled out a level thing? No.
I have a gadget with
me.
Plastic zip tie.
Oh, true. Yeah, exactly.
Why not? Oh, what is this?
Ooh.
Okay.
A wire splitter.
Wire splitter. Okay, nice.
Cable cut wire splitter.
Sometimes I'm watching our videos and I'm like, what the hell
what
is
is
your
happening?
voice?
Sorry, yeah.
I'm like, what is this from?
It's
sorry guys that you.
It's okay, yeah. It's a hormonal thing. I'm getting to that age. Things start changing.
Okay, so I need to grow up, right?
Yeah, I think so. All right, so wire crimp.
Wow.
For what?
Oh, wow. For your torch,
so you can solder things. Wow, that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
If you don't have a proper soldering thing, then there you go.
Mm-hmm. The only thing what I want to say, don't smell this thing.
Oh yeah, keep away from the smoke because that is toxic.
Yeah.
No, don't do that.
Ooh. Oh, it's a nice.
Wow. I like that one. That's cool.
That's awesome.
Ooh. They actually hit their hand. That sucks.
Yep. But who didn't like so, right?
Okay. I've fallen victim to the hammer before, so. Okay, pencil. Yep.
Okay, practical enough.
It's good.
But is it the right center?
I don't think so. It's not going to be the same for both of those.
Yeah,
it's going to be weird
with this thing. Yeah.
It's like a giant circle that it's making, so it's like slightly different angle.
A life hack with the gadget thing, right?
Exactly, yeah.
Wow,
I think the life hack is easier, probably, or like cheaper,
Yeah, but it depends.
It looks pretty easy too.
Okay.
All right, so we have a light on your cap. Now you have a cap light. That'd be good for reading at night.
Yeah.
Do some reading with that.
But the thing is, there was a light on your glove.
Yeah.
Not here, which could be more useful.
True. I like the old-fashioned mechanic way, where they just hold it in their mouth and they're like,
exactly,
trying to fix stuff
and try to not swallow it.
Yeah, exactly. That's the main goal. Yeah. Don't swallow.
Yeah.
Unless it's up to you. All right, so.
It's another opener.
Okay, yeah, we've done quite a few of these.
Yeah.
Ruin your key. Don't want to get in the house anymore.
No. Actually, you not broke the key. We tried this. And
I think it depends on the key, though. Some of them are really loose.
But it's not that easy to open the bottle like so.
Yeah.
Okay. But easy to break it. Yeah. Break it.
Oh, okay. Be careful with your fingers. Wear some gloves or something. Why are your fingers so close to the knife? Stop it. Okay. I don't know how. I feel like in practice, it's not going to be that accurate. It's going to move a bit.
Yeah, maybe. But who knows?
That's what I'm worried about.
You can use it lamps or something to better.
True.
But yeah, you're right. It could be not that practical. Oh, how to make your scissors sharp again?
I thought it was how to cut a piece of paper. Okay.
Just imagine.
Wow, insane.
After a couple of years, a 5-minute craft starts to do some regular things, right?
Then it's like how to cut paper. All right, how to drink water. Okay, what else do we need? How to wipe your butt. Maybe not that one. That's not safe. Cable tie. All right. Weed whacker?
Mixer?
Oh, it's a mixer. Nice. Yeah.
But you screwed up with your drill bit.
Yeah, it's not so great. All right. So we have a drill. We have a lock nut. The lock nut monster. And that will prevent you from drilling too deep. All right.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's beautiful.
But the only thing why you make the hole with a drill bit for the wood. And before that, you screw it up. Doesn't matter.
Anyway,
you screw it in the metal first using
you screw it up.
Yeah, you screw it up. Try to guess why and how.
Yeah, you guys fill in the blanks. It's a guessing game. All right, so we have a magnet.
That was stupid. Sorry.
Another. It's okay. Don't apologize to them. They know what they're getting themselves into when they get this far in the video. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. Butter knife. Musat. What's a musat?
Musat?
Musat. Never heard of that before. Sounds cool.
Me neither. But
And now it's sharp. It can not only cut butter, but bananas and other B words.
okay. It's actually nice that they show us that on the hard part of the banana.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting solution. What is this? What is this?
It's a. Ooh, I don't know.
Sharpener again?
Ah, that's kind of cool, but probably not gonna work.
Screw it in! Come on!
Harder, come on! Put some muscle into it.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Oh boy. And he brought just a gadget.
Whoa, that's quite satisfying.
Buy me dinner first, right?
Yeah, jeez, come on.
Well,
Okay, so we're heating it up. This is how to take nuts off. Okay.
yep.
Protect your nuts from 5-minute crafts because they're gonna show you how to take them off.
Yeah.
All right.
Really nice gadget with SDs. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, but it's hard to to break
Hard
it.
to crank it. Yeah.
And you need to screw it.
That makes sense. You need another mechanism just to hold it to brace it.
Exactly.
It's not worth it, Ooh, hammer holder. But we found out that you can actually just use the back of a hammer depending on the size of the nail. So
Yeah.
come
But
on.
there is one tricky thing. Watch the video to know it.
Okay.
Right?
There is a tricky thing. Oh.
Okay. Use your brush too. Okay.
Ah, this is I've seen this a lot. These are so cool. I want one of those. Okay.
Yeah.
You could do that, or I feel like you could just probably use your fingers. I don't know.
Yeah. Sometimes it's complicated, but the thing is, you can use the same hook, but which I will be attached on your.
All right, what do we got next? Whoa.
Is it illegal?
It looks like it. Wow.
Wow.
How is it blue inside? That looked awesome.
Because it's a steering foam or something like
yeah,
this.
true.
It's not a. It's not.
I thought it was wood or something.
No,
Okay.
no. They pretended this.
They tricked me. They
Yeah,
got me.
They tricked me. Wow.
It's it's not very often that they get me, but 5-minute crafts once in a while we'll pull one off like that. Just gets me. Okay, smart.
Wow, that was
I like how smart.
smart.
All right, that's subjective, okay? Jeez. So we got some flint,
Okay.
Some me.
Flint, some you.
a little bit more of me. What are we gonna do?
And sharpener. Wow.
Yep.
Okay, it's good work.
I think it has to be at a certain angle though.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if it's the right angle. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. I don't know.
how to make your level good.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That's pretty good.
Not that neat, but
Yeah.
Fine.
They could have made it a lot neater actually, yeah. It's like
okay.
one more second of effort would have done it.
Yeah. Oh, how to mark it?
Yep.
To make the perfect mark. That's
Handy.
Good.
Yeah.
Handy. Yeah. Handy. Smart enough.
Smart.
Smart.
Okay, we stick in these things. I forgot what they're Dremels. Is it no.
No.
I forgot what they're called.
Me.
Guys, let us know what those things are
Yeah.
called because we keep what they're called. Only Doc knew, but Doc's
Yeah.
gone now. He left.
So we have only you
Yes.
who can help us with all these names.
You have to replace Doc's scientific knowledge.
Yep. And I think you can.
I think you can too.
You personally who watched it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You've got it. You've got the stuff, kid. You got it in you. We're proud of you.
Maybe it's not a kid.
That time? No, I mean I'm just referring to anyone as kid.
Ah, okay.
It's like a, I don't know,
I see what you do.
just a nickname. Anyway, kid,
Yeah.
you got the stuff.
Okay, what is this?
All right, we're just gluing pieces of wood together. What are we gonna do?
Oh, it's a gadget out
Oh,
of
to clamp them together
yeah,
while they dry. Okay.
But it was a homemade gadget out of glue gun.
I wish they followed it more so I could see the close up of the glue. But all right. Ooh.
Ooh. Is it legal?
It's not legal.
It's not legal.